Pwede ko pa siyang hindi ko siya matag. Ta-da-da-dan. Hey, mommy gonna do live selling, okay? Avery, Alexa Keister. Where's my phone? Right here. I will do live selling, yeah? Hello? Yeah, Mom. You can do it. I know I can. Ano pa kayo dyan? Walay pa kayo, so wait longs. Oh my gosh. Did it broke? Nope. Wala namang crack. Okay, walang cracks. Walang cracks. I'm going to the garage. So funny. Welcome home, baby. Kiss me. Bend over. Who's that? Come on, come on, come on. Here's your thing, babe. Right there. Right there. Love you. Asan si ano? Majanet ito. Si Bells, wag kang mag-message. Manood ka. Manood ka. Watch me. Watch me, ano? Watch me, ne? Watch me, nene. Si Bells. Uy, nabasag ba to? Hindi naman. Watch me, ne? Watch me, nene. Kala ko nabasag. Hindi pala siya nabasag. Hello mga moms. Live tayo. May mga bago tayong items. Konti lang yung bago nating items, but morning, Sisabels. Mamili ulit ako sa Saturday. So marami ulit Friday. Friday mamili ulit ako. Mamili ulit tayo sa Saturday sa Friday. So wait lang ha. I shall come back. I shall come back. Hi, how are you? Are you good? Thank you. Sisabels, are you there? Mag-present ka, please. So I can flex the ano. My... Ano ba to? the tote bag. Okay. Mag-swing ka din. Can you swing? I'm gonna swing. Hindi ka nagsaswing. By the chandelier. By the chandelier. Missy Bells, are you there? If you flex ko na tong ano, Ethel. Ito siya, Ethel. Isa siyang nylon. Ay, anong tawag niyan? Why it's not doing anything? No. 0. Oh my gosh. Okay. No. Ba't di ka nagsiswing? Gusto mag-swing ka? Ba yan? Is this the walang floss yan ha? Mano lang yan? Mabalahibo. Ayan, nilabhan ko kasi yan. Okay? Close up. This is VS. Ba't ayaw mo? Okay? Ayan siya. Sparkling and everything under control. Trip mo ba? $5 million lang to. Sabi niya. O, ba't tayo mo mag-swing? Ayun, nagsiswing. Very good ka dyan. Why you're not okay? Hi, Mother! Mother, I love you. I have a good news for you. My parents are gonna be here on Monday. Both of my parents will be here. My dad, he had a stroke last month, but mild stroke, but he's doing great now, and they will be flying on Sunday. Yeah, they're visiting me for 6 months, but I think they want to stay longer than that, so I have to work on their visa. I love you. I miss you. I miss you. You're so pretty. Come visit me soon. Sissy Bells, no like sparkling shimmering. Ano ba yan? Ba yan? Tanggalin mo na lang. Ang ganda kaya, Sissy. Ziz, ang ganda niya. My mom wants to meet you, and I told her, I'm like, she live in West Virginia. She said, I want to meet Charlotte because Rochelle, your sister told me a lot about her. Sissy Bells, this is the only, ano? Oh, wait, I have bags here. Yeah, she says that my sister told her a bunch of stuff about you. And she says, I want to meet her. They want to go to West Virginia. They want to see West Virginia. And I told her, that's way too far. It's way too far from me now. Maybe one day. We'll come back there to visit. Okay, Sissy Bells, you want me to flex bags? I have bags. I have bags if you want bags. Hi, Di. Yeah, visit me here. It's 40, I think 40 or 50 degrees today. Where is my... I have bunch of dresses. Sige, mag-flex ako. I'll be flexing dresses and, ba't ganyan ka? Dresses and bags. Okay. Malaki man to. This is big. That's a big one. Okay, wait a minute. Let me grab the dresses. This is my Okay. Okay. Hi, Dai. Hello, Dai Jen. Okay. I'm gonna flex some bags and other stuff today, okay? That's mine. Why is it here? Okay, bags. I have this Paris. This is from Under One Sky. Under One Sky. Paris, and it has that bling bling everywhere. Okay, Under One Sky. If you want this, comment Paris. If you want this, comment Paris for this. Ayan siya. Comment Paris for this one, $4. Comment Paris if you want this for $4. And then I have this one from West Coast Catholic. Ayan. $4 for this. If you want this, $4. Comment Trust. Comment Trust. Okay, comment Paris if you want this for $4. And comment Trust if you want this for $4. Both for $4. Na-flex naman na kita, B. Why are you here? $4 pa more. Okay. Next, I have this from Kala. And it has a pads na ha. Nag-aabang kahapon pa ako. Meron ako mga dresses dito, Dai. Okay. Meron ako dito. This one, this is with pads. Okay. This is padded. Medium size for this. If you want this, comment M. Comment M if you want this. This is from Kala. Okay. Kalia or Kala. I don't know. Comment M if you want this for $3. $3 for that if you want medium size. If you want that. This here, it says extra large. But I don't think this is extra large. This is not extra large. This is medium. Medium size for this. It says extra large on tag, but this is not extra large. This is medium size. If you want this medium size dress, I'm pretty sure this is medium. Bakit ganito to? Medium to large. But if you're large size, this will be fitted. If you want this brand new with tag, comment 30. Comment 30 if you want this. Brand new with tag, comment 30 if you want this for 3. Comment 30 if you want that for 3. Comment 30 if you want this for $3. Okay? Brand new with tag. This is with tag. Brand new with tag for that. Extra large on tag, but that's medium size. Medium to up to large. Because this is stretchy. Very stretchy. So, comment 30. Okay. Rust. Ethel, this is new bags. Sisibels, ha? New bag. Medium. Tsaka hindi na tayo pwedeng up to 19 pounds lang ako pwedeng hindi na tayo lalagpas ng 19 pounds mga mamshi sa anong tawag nito? Sa ating, stricto sila yung sinend ko kaganina, the one that I was sending earlier, sinukat pa nila. Kinakabahan talaga ako kanina. Sinukat talaga nila. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, please. Kasi, yung, may mga, sila dito, si The Morrows, at saka si yung sa Target, kung alam niyo yung Target na, nagbibenta siya ng Target. I can't remember her name, pero nagbibenta siya ng Target. Ang dami niyang binibentang Target. Hindi sila na pwedeng mag-send ng polybag. Kasi, in-explain sa akin to ng postmaster sa West Virginia. Sabi niya, they're not allowed to reject yung sending packages. Dapat yung magre-receive yung magre-reject. Pero kung ang sinisend is yung ridiculous, yung big, how big, and the weight, sabi niya, they can say no into it. Kaya sabi niya, you should be only up to 19 pounds. So, hanggang 19 pounds lang tayo mga moms, hindi na tayo lalagpas pa ng up to 19 pounds. Hindi na tayo pwedeng lumagpas. Hindi na natin pwedeng anuhin. Kasi pwede pang maki-add yung isa. Alam mo, ikaw. Alam mo, ikaw. Okay. Mag-add ka na lang dun sa ano mo. Mag-add ka na lang dun sa ano. Mag-plus ka na lang dun sa babayaran mo. Okay. Next. Dress. This is size 10. Medium size for this. Up, up. Hello, Joji. Up, up. This is size 10. Size 10 for this. Ang ganda nito. If you want this, pa-comment dito ng 10. Medium size. Comment 10 for this if you want. Ayan siya mga moms. Comment dyan ng 10. If you want this, comment 10 for $3. Ayan. Okay? Comment 10 dyan. If you want that for 3, comment dyan ng 10. Comment 10 if you want that. Uy, ito ang ganda nito. This is so pretty. Meron lang siyang comment dyan ng 10. That's medium size. Ang ganda nito, oh. Ang ganda niya. Wallet na linisan ko muna to. Madumi siya. Isa siyang maduming babae. Madumi siya. Siya ay isang madumi. Okay. Si Bells, ikaw yung nagme-message, no? Yes, Day, nakuha mo yung kaganina. Nakuha mo yung kaganina. You got it. Meron ako dito. Wait lang, hindi ko siya kayang alisin. Oh my gosh. Okay, meron ako ditong shoes. Pangbata to, ha. This one. Yes, nakuha mo yun, Day. This is a shoes from Levi's. And it says size 1. US 1. Ayan, Levi's. $5 for this. Brand new pa to mga moms. Brand new. Pa-comment na lang ako dito ng Levi's. If you want this, comment Levi's. Size 1. Pang kids to na size 1 ha. Comment Levi's for 5. Brand new in edge. Brand new. Okay? Brand new siya mga moms. If you want this, comment Levi's for $5. If you want this, comment Levi's for 5. Okay? Next, wala dyan. Kay sino ba yan? Dyan sa dress na yan. Okay, next. Ito, size 6. Small size ito ha. Ito, size 6. This is a small size. Small size itong i-flex ko. Levi's, yours na, Day. Okay. Next. Ito naman, this is size 6 mga mamshi. This is, ano to? Yan yung ano, tatak niya. Size 6. Small size ito. Pa-comment dito ng pink. If you want this, comment pink. Kasya to ng medium. Kasya ng medium size to. Kasya to ng medium size. Comment pink. Dahil baka gusto mo yan, comment dyan ng pink. If you want that. Genward for 5. Bells, ikaw yung nagme-message, no? Sabi ko na sa'yo eh. Okay. Pa-comment ako dyan ng pink if you want that. Small medium you want that for $3. Medium size. Okay. If you want that, comment dyan ng pink kung gusto mo yan. Next. Knitted ito. Ang ganda nito. Mabigat siya ng konti. Knitted. Pang ano talaga to? Pang winter. Pa-comment dito ng pink if you want this. $3 for this. Comment pink. Itong isa, this is medium size from Old Navy. Kasha ito ng up to large. Okay. $4 for this. If you want this, knitted to mga ma'am siya. Kasha ito ng up to large. If you want this, comment dito ng Old Navy. Ang ganda niya. Comment dito ng Old Navy. If you want this, comment Old Navy. And may slit siya dito ng konti. Ayan. Comment Old Navy if you want this. Comment Old Navy for $4. That's from Old Navy. Medium size. Fit up to large kasi knitted material. Okay, if you want that, pa-comment ako ng Old Navy for $4 for that. If you want that. Okay. Next. Ito, from Laundry by Shelly Segal. Size 8. Ito ay size 8, which is medium size to. Size 8. Wait lang mga ma'am siya. Si orange. This is size 8. Medium size. Pa-comment dito ng orange if you want this. Comment orange. Ayan. Ayan. Ang ganda niya. Comment siya ng orange if you want that. Pa-comment ng orange dyan kung gusto nyo yan. Comment orange kung gusto nyo yan. Comment ako dyan ng orange. Pa-comment dyan ng orange if you want that. Ang ganda nito ah. Pwede to kay 1.5 youth. Okay, next. Ito, this is 1.5 youth. 1.5 youth. Ang ganda niya. This is 1.5 youth from Nike na shoes. 1.5 youth. If you want this, comment white. $6 dito, comment white. Ang ganda niya. Hindi siya ano, lightly used lang siya pero hindi siya yung as in maganda pa siya. Sobrang ganda niya. As you can see, ayan. Comment white if you want this, comment white. $6 for this. 1.5 youth, comment white. If you want this, comment ng white for $6. Okay. For $6. Lalagay nyo lang siya dyan. Para to sa mga bagets nyo if you want. Okay. 1.5 youth for $6. Comment white if you want this for $6. Comment white for that. Bag para kay Inday Jonah. Oh. Kailangan ko ng help ni Jonah. Mabigat siya. Hindi ko siya kaya. Saan mo naman ilagay? Saan man natin sa ilagay? Naguguluhan na ako dito sa mga items ko eh. Napakarami. Hindi ko maintindihan. Hindi ko maintindihan. Hindi ko gets ang buhay ko dito. Next. Medium size to ha. This is medium. Ito mga ma'ams, mga bagong pasok. Medium size. Knitted material to. Medium size. May slit sa gilid. Okay. Hanggang large to kasha. $4 for this from Old Navy. Pa-comment dito ng Old Navy. Ang ganda niya. Comment dito ng Old Navy if you want. For $4. And this one, this is medium size. Medium size from Laundry. Medium size dito. Pa-comment naman ako dito ng orange if you want this. Comment orange for $3. Comment Old Navy. Comment orange for $3 if you want. Okay? Next. Anong tawag nito? Anong tawag dito? Ewan ko kung anong tawag dito. Basta yun. If you want this, adjustable ang kanyang strap. If you want this, and you can remove this. If you want this, comment sling. Comment sling for this. Comment sling. Ano ba yan? Pa-comment ako dito ng sling if you want. For $3. Ayun. Comment dito ng sling if you want this for $3. Ganyan siya mga mams. Lagayan ng cellphone. I think, iPhone, yes, perfect. iPhone 16 Pro Max. iPhone 16 Pro Max. Fit perfect. Perfect. May ano pa siya. May space. Okay, if you want this, comment sling. For $3 for this if you want. Comment sling for $3. Okay, walay sa mga dresses. Alright, next. Walay sa mga dresses. Next. Ito ay small size. Brand new with tag for this. This is small. From No Boundaries. Small size, brand new with tag for this. If you want this, denim yung material nito ha. If you want this, comment denim for $3. Comment denim for $3. Denim material yan mga mamshi ha. Small size, comment denim if you want this for $3. Comment denim for that. If you want that for $3. Okay. Next. Ay, ang ganda ni Tetch. Hindi naman kita masusuot. Kaloka ka. Next. Ito pang beach. Hindi ko naman ito masusuot. This is pang beach. This is medium to large. Large size on tag, but this will fit medium as well. Okay? Large size. From Rhythm. Okay? If you want this, medium to large. Large size on tag, but this will fit medium as well. If you want this, comment. If you want this, comment beach. Comment beach, $3. Comment dito ng beach. Comment beach for this if you want. Ayan. Pa-comment ng beach, medium to large. Comment beach for $3. Denim. Hi, Sis Beth. Sis Beth, yung items, ay yung package mo, mga February yung darating. Hello, Sis Beth. Thank you, sis. Pa-comment dyan ng beach if you want that. Yung package mo. February yung darating. Mga February. Sa Pinas. Thank you, Sis Beth. May bag ka pa dito. Ilagay ko to ha. Dito yung bag mo. Okay. Pa-comment dyan ng beach if you want that. Si beach. Next. Hollister, small size. Hollister, small size. Dress na Hollister, small size. If you want this. Thank you rin, sis. Ano siya? Romper. Romper, but it looks like a dress. This is a romper, okay? This is a romper. If you want this, comment Hollister. Comment Hollister for this if you want. This is smoky. Ang kulit naman ng fan na to. Ayan ha. Smoky siya mga moms. If you want this, comment H. For $3. Comment H for $3. Small size. Comment ng H if you want this from Hollister. For $3 for that if you want. Okay. Next. Beach. Ito. extra large on tag, but kasya ito ng medium to large. Medium large to siya. Kasi smaky. Ayan. Ganyan siya. Smaky siya mga moms ha. Kasya to ng medium up to large. Medium to up to large. Okay, kasya. Medium up to large. Medium size, perfect. If canister. Anong canister, bakla? Gusto mo si Ramper? Pa-comment dito ng medium. Comment medium for this. And garterize dito. Ayan, garterize yun dyan, ha. If you want this, comment medium. Dalen. New bag to bakla, Dalen. Okay, Dalen. Yours na to, bebe. Okay. Comment dito ng medium if you want this. Comment medium. Ang ganda niya. Comment medium for this if you want. For $3, comment medium. Ang ganda mo. Ito pang ano. Ito pang social. Size 6. Pang social to mga moms. Pang social to size 6. Ang ganda mo ah. Pang social dito, size 6 to ha. Maganda siya. Kasya ka ba sa akin? Huwag tayong mangarap, di. Baka hindi ka kasya sa akin. Maliit yung boobs ko eh. Wait. Dahil maliit ang boobs ko, baka kasya. Pag malaki boobs nyo, hindi to magkakasya. Pero kung maliit ang boobs, kasya to. Kasya to ng up to medium. Wait. Kung kasya. Huwag tayong mangarap. Mangangarap tayo ng gising. Ay, talaga ba, Roda? Ipupush mo, di. Diyos ko, day. Ingay kasi ng anak ko. Oh my gosh. Huwag kang mangarap, di. Uy. Wait lang. Push natin to. Kung mabasag, mapiyak to, bahala na si Batman. Dati kasya sa akin, mga extra small. Kaloka. Mga pang 10 to 12-year-old kasya. Ngayon nga. Laki kasi ng ano ko. Ewan. Basta huwag na. Ayan siya, ganyan siya mga mamshi. Oh. Hindi masara yung gilid. Basta ganyan siya. Ang ganda niya. Ayan siya. Medium, ano to? Malaki kasi yung dito ko. Sobrang laki ng dito ko. Ay, ganyan siya mga moms. Ganda niya. Pamay na lang ako nito. Size 6. Pamay na ako dito ng ganda. Kung gusto nyo to, pamay ng ganda. $5 dito ang ganda. Mag-aabay ka sa kasal. Charot. Or attend ka ng ano. Party. Sawak pag binuksan tong gate. Ang tanong, mahuhubad ba kita? Ang laki kasi ng ang laki ng braso ko. Braso ko pamalo ng kalabaw to eh. Panalo yung braso ko eh. Bongga. Okay, walay doon. Wala dyan kay beach. Ang ganda niyang beach na yan mga moms. Ayaw nyo kay beach. Wait lang. Balik ko muna to at ako rin ang mahihirapan kung hindi ko ibalik itong mga items na to. Ako din mahihirapan. Next. Ito size medium. Calvin Klein. Kagalang-galang. Size medium dito kay kagalang-galang. Medium size from Calvin Klein. If you want this. Pa-comment dito ng Calvin. Comment Calvin for this. If you want this, comment Calvin, medium size. $3 comment Calvin if you want that for 3. Okay? Wala dito mga bakla. Ang ganda nito. Ito, ang ganda nito. $4 to ha. Medium size for this. Ang ganda nito, medium size. $4. Pa-comment dito ng Old Navy. And if you want this, comment dito ng Calvin. That's medium size. Comment Calvin dyan kung gusto nyo yan. For $3. Kung gusto nyo ha. Next. Okay. Pagkalit ko muna si Beach. Yung mga shoes, lalabahan ko muna yung mga shoes. Maglalaba ako next week ng mga shoes dito sa labas. Yung ibang bag, kailangan ko ring labhan. Pero of course, mag-iiba ang price pag nilabhan. Kasi kudkud is life. Kudkud is life. Next. Ay, nako, hindi to pwede. Talaga ba? Pwede naman bakla. Sige naman, pwede rin. Okay, meron ako dito. Isa siyang, ayan, knitted. Knitted siya ha. Extra small on tag. Pero kasya to ng up to medium. Michael Kors. Okay. $5 for this. Pa-comment ako dito ng Michael. Kung gusto nyo to. Ayan. $5 for this. Ang ganda niya. My balloon style dress kaday. Daywalay. Ay, hindi ako sure. As of now, itong mga nahalong katkot nilagay ko sa hanger. Walang mga balloon. Friday mamimili ako. But yung sa Friday na bibilhin ko, pang next week na yun siya. Kumaflex. Ayan. Ganyan siya. This is Michael Kors mga moms. $5 for this. If you want this. Comment dito ng Michael for 5. Pa-comment dito ng Michael for 5. Okay. Comment Michael dito for 5. Next. Victoria's Secret. Small size si Victoria's Secret. Kasya ito ng up to medium size. Stretchy si Victoria's Secret. If you want this, comment Victoria. Comment dito ng Victoria. Small size on tag. Kasya to ng up to medium size. Comment dito ng Victoria. Kung gusto mo to, comment Victoria for $3. Ganyan siya. Tapos yung dito niya sa baba, may pagkakulot-kulot. Okay, if you want that. Comment Victoria dyan. For $3. That's small size. Kasya yan ng up to medium. Kasya yan ng medium size. Okay, if you want that. Pa-comment tayo ng Victoria. If you like that. With S. Next. Small size man ito mga mamshi. This here, small size, may ano pa siya, may tag. From Marshall. Small size for this. Pa-comment ako dito ng small. If you want this, comment small for $3. Pa-comment ng small for 3, okay? Small size and hindi adjustable yung strap. Okay, comment small for that. If you want that, comment small. Okay? Next. I have this. Large size naman to. Brand new with tag as well. Marshall brand. Okay. Large size itong hawak ko from Marshall. Or binili niya sa Marshall. Marshall tag. If you want this one, large size, medium large, knitted material, comment dito ng Marshall. If you want this, comment Marshall. If you want this, comment Marshall for 3. Comment Marshall for $3. Comment Marshall for 3. Kung gusto mo yan. Comment Marshall for that for 3. Okay, sis Beth, yours na si small. Okay, Beth. Si small. That's large size ha, brand new with tag yan. Large size, brand new with tag. Asan si Marshall? Promise. Light in the darkness. My God. That is who you are. Next. Oops. Ito, small size ito mga moms. Brand new with tag. Small size. Palitan natin. Small size, brand new with tag dito. Small size to ha, brand new with tag. Pa-comment dito ng pink if you want this pang party. Comment pink for this if you want this for $4. Comment pink for 4. Okay, brand new with tag to mga moms. Ang mahal nito. Hello Molly. Okay, branded na. Very branded. Ganyan siya. Say hello Molly. If you want this, pa-comment dito ng pink for 4. Comment ng pink for 4. If you want that. Okay. Next. Ito naman ay small size. Romper, small size naman siya from Old Navy. Romper, small size. Smacky yung likod niya mga ma'am siya. If you want this one, comment Old Navy. If you want this, comment Old Navy for 3. Comment Old Navy if you want this for 3. Okay, smacky yung likod and adjustable yung strap. If you want this, comment Old Navy for that for $3 million. Next, dress. Ito ay dress. Ang cute nito. Okay, ito ang cute nito. This is from Hollister. Smacky yung likod. Hollister, smacky yung likod nito. If you want this, si Hollister na smacky yung likod, ilagay natin dyan ng konti mga ma'am siya. Para may space ako din. Ayan, Hollister. Smacky yung likod. Medium size. If you want this, comment dito ng M. Comment M. Romper. No, it's not romper. Dress yan. Dress yarn. Medium size dress. Okay? Ayan. Medium size dress. $3 for this if you want. Okay, $3 and adjustable yung strap. You can adjust the strap, okay? Pa-comment dito ng code. Nakalimutan ko yung code. Yan. Hollister, medium size. If you want that, comment M. Old Navy. Si Dalen. Okay. Hollister, si Dalen. Okay. You are here. I worship you. I worship you. Alright, next. Large na ito. Okay, ito small size. Small size dito mga mams. This here, small size. Kung gusto mo to, pa-comment dito ng polka dot. Small size. Comment dito ng polka dot kung gusto nyo to. Ayan, comment polka dot if you want this. $3 for this. Comment dito ng polka dot. For 3. Small size. Comment polka dot. Kasya to ng medium. Kasi ano siya, stretchy. Stretchy. Kasya yan ng up to medium size. Wait lang. I-tilt natin ng konti. Ganyan siya. Or ibaba na lang B. Wait lang ha. Ano ba to? Ayan. Mag-end ako maya-maya ng mga mamsi ha kasi mag-work ako kay mother-in-law ko. End of na namin. Kailangan kasi matapos yung mga dapat tapusin before mag-end of the month. Kaya busy tayo sa kabilang sa kabilang negosyo. Charis. Ayan, pa-comment dito ng polka dot kung gusto nyo to ha. Gusto nyo ba ng mga shoes, mga bakla? Ayaw nyo ng mga damit? Ayaw nyo ng mga damit? Gusto nyo ba shoes? Nakita ako. Gusto nyo ba mga dress or mga damit? Meron ako ditong mga shoes. May mga shoes ako dito. Ito may bra ako, isang peraso. May isang peraso ako ditong bra. 32 malinoy. Hindi niyo yan size. Hindi niyo yan size for sure. Hindi niyo man yan size. Dito, sino may gusto nito? This is size. Wala kasi mga sizes. Oy, kaloka man itong mga paang to. Ba't walang mga sizes? Hindi ko alam kung anong sizes. Hindi ko alam kung anong mga sizes nila B. Ito si Barbie. Wala akong mga sizes Monday to. Okay. Ito. Sino may gusto nito? Chinelas na Coach. Natanggal pa. Abayan. Size 6. Size 6. Dikitan ko na lang to ng glue. Uy, size 6 mga bakla. Coach, size 6. Kasi siya sa akin. Size 6 na Coach. Size 6. If you want this, pa-comment dito ng Coach. Ayan, size 6. Uy, ang cute niya. Wait lang. Maganda siya sa paa. Ang cute niya. Kung gusto niyo to, kulang lang sa laba. Ayan, kulang lang sa laba. Okay. Coach, kung gusto niyo to, size 6. Pa-comment dito ng Coach kung type niyo to. $4 si Coach kung type niyo. Ano to? Kay mother na lang to kasi maarte yun. Ay, my goodness. Maarte na lang si madam. Kanina. Okay. Sige, be. Sige. Yours na, Inech. $5 to, be, ha? Dalin, new bag to, bebe, ha? Sa new bag ko to ilalagay, bebe. Hindi to kasali sa old, sa old bag, eh. Old chuchu. Okay. Ito. Ito, size 6 kay Hollister. This is size 6. From Tommy Hilfiger. Hollister. Size 6 dito. Pa-comment dito ng red if you want this. Comment red. Okay, pa-comment dito ng red if you want this for $3. Comment red if you want this for 3. Comment red dyan. Kung type mo yan. Comment red if you want dots. Next. Maganda to. Ito maganda to. Pang to? Pang Madam Auring. Large size nga lang to mga moms. To? Maxi dress. Maxi dress dito. Large size kay Maxi. Brand new pa to mga moms. $5 for this. Pa-comment dito ng Maxi. Comment Maxi for this. Okay. Okay, sis. Comment Maxi if you want this. Tapos yung strap ha, adjustable. Ayan. Medium, large. Large size. If you want this, pa-comment dyan ng Maxi for 5. That's large. Wait lang mga ma'am siya. Nag-aaway yung dalawa sa loob. Hold on. What's up, ma'am? Wait a minute. Mga ma'ams, mag-end muna ako. Yung asawa ko nasa taas, nag-aaway yung dalawa nila. Nilagay mo yung pink dresses. Yung cute. Ah, gusto mo tong pink dress? Gusto mo Inech? Mine ko na din yung Michael kanina na turtleneck. Okay. Si turtleneck lang ang nilagay ko. Okay. Uy, mga bakla, pasensya na. Yung dalawa ko, nag-aaway sa loob. Sino to? Si Dalen. Thank you, mga moms. Okay, hindi ako sure kung makakapag-live ako bukas, ha. But promise next week talaga bubongga ako. Okay, pasensya na po. Yung dalawa ko nag-aaway sa loob. Yung asawa ko nasa taas. Ewan ko. Nagsasalsal, charot. Joke lang. May ginagawa kasi siya. Sige mga mamshi, dahil pasensya na dahil. Promise sa Friday or pag wala talaga akong chance maghalukay dito. Namili ako nung isang araw pero hindi ko pa nakita silang lahat. Ilalagay ko na kasi sila ngayon sa hanger. Hindi pa talaga ako tapos kasi wala talaga akong time. Thank you mga mamshi and see you basta soon. Next week talaga ako makakapag nito. Babush po, thank you for joining.